Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can print specific pages from the PDF, because sometimes we want to print specific pages from the PDF, not all pages. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So if you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So you can see I opened a PDF which contain 5 pages. So if I want to print specific page, I will show you how you can easily do it. So if I want to download second and third page, for example, so you can see print options. So just click on it or press Ctrl and P. So click on it, and here you can see destination option. Just click on it and then choose Microsoft print to PDF or save as PDF. So select Microsoft print to PDF, and here select the color. If you want to print black and white, just click black and white. If you want to print color, so just click on color option. So after that, here you can see I have selected all pages. So if I want to add specific page, so just click on customs. So here select that page which you want to print. So for example, I want to print second page, so just I will click on second page. So if I want to add print multiple page, for example, if I want to print second and third page, so firstly write second and then write comma and then write here third. So here you can write anyone according to you. So after selecting the page, so just click on print options. So guys, after click on print options, your page will be print. So guys, in this way you can print specific page from the PDF. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.